Hi everybody, it's Marisa Todd with Pampered Chef. Tonight I'm going to show you a healthy spin on a really delicious meal. We're going to make a zucchini noodle carbonara tonight. So that's a little bit, it's a really decadent meal, delicious, but we're making it a little healthier by substituting zucchini noodles for the pasta, and we're going to skip the egg. We'll keep the cream, we'll keep the bacon, so it's really tasty, but it is a healthier version. So I'm just going to walk you through the recipe tonight, and I'll show you the finished product when it's done, and we'll let you know how it tastes when we're all done with it. So what I've done first is I've got the bacon already started. We're using turkey bacon instead of regular bacon, so that'll make it even just a little bit healthier. Just dice that up and have that cooking away. Here are the rest of our ingredients. We used the spiralizer to make our zucchini noodles. This is just 2 medium zucchini. We squeezed out the excess water with some paper towels. We've got some red pepper flakes. Of course, you got to have the garlic. Some cheese, Parmesan shredded cheese. Salt and pepper, frozen peas, and we've got some half and half that we're going to mix with the cornstarch. So we're going to get started. Like I said, we've already got the bacon popping here in the 12-inch executive skillet. So now I am just going to add real quick, I'm going to add some garlic. I want to show you our garlic press, because what I love about this is you don't have to peel the garlic before you put it in. So we're going to add that real quick. Give that a chance to get nice and brown. See how that skin comes out nice and easy. Now this recipe calls for 2 cloves of garlic, but we love garlic, so we always add an extra 1 or 2. That skin out, 1 more. So we'll pop that in along with the red pepper flakes, just so that they can get a little bit of a sear on those. You'll notice we don't have any oil in the pan at all, so that just makes it healthier as well. Okay, now we're going to add the zucchini noodles, and we're just going to let those sit in there for a couple of minutes so they can get soft. It smells good already. Isn't that beautiful color too? Okay, so while that is cooking for a little bit, we're going to take our half and half. So we got some half and half, and we're going to add the cornstarch and just give it a quick little whisk. This makes it nice, rich, and thickens up the whole dish, brings it all together in the end. Quick and easy. Add the half and half. See how it's thickening up already, very quick. Okay, now all we're going to add here real quick are the frozen peas, right out of the freezer. They don't even have to thaw. Isn't that pretty? So you let that sit for 3 or 4 minutes until the sauce gets nice and thick. It's not even going to take that long, I don't think. Then we're going to let it, as that thickens, I'm going to add salt and pepper and an ounce of shredded Parmesan. I love fresh shredded Parmesan rather than using that canned stuff, or even the thing, you can buy it at the store already shredded, but it is so much better when it's fresh. Wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. Okay, we're just gonna let that sit. Actually, we're gonna remove it from the heat and let it sit for 3 or 4 minutes and thicken up, and then it's ready to eat. So it's just that simple. See how fast and easy it was to put dinner together. It's gonna be healthy, it's gonna be delicious. You can find this recipe on the Pampered Chef website. Again, it's zucchini noodle carbonara. Piece of cake to make, very, very delicious. I'll be happy to post a picture once we have it on the plate. Thanks for joining me tonight. Have a good day.